Alright y'all, so I'm back with another voiceover, so I'm just going to get straight into the video. As you can see, I'm taking this Wig Lavender hair dye and just throwing a whole bunch of it into this hot water. I did not boil the water, I just got some really hot water from the pipe. So I'm just pouring however much I think I want for my first batch and just making sure it's all good and mixed up in there. So today I'm using the 613 blonde wig. I just went ahead and bought one, something cheap off of AliExpress, and I'm spraying the Got to Be Free spray on the closure and on the whole cap, just because I don't want that part to get the color on it as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and submerge the whole wig into the water, and then it would just take the color, as you'll see here in a minute. So here's what it looks like when I first take it out the water, and of course you're going to have to dip it into the water multiple times so that the whole head can take. Especially with this lavender color, it's a very light color, so you're going to have to take your time, but it's real simple. So it's important to go ahead and detangle it either with a brush or a comb so that you can see which parts took color and which parts did not. Alright, so I really did not want my whole wig to be just one color, so I'm going to take this Adora African Violet color to give it a little bit more depth and dimension. So just go ahead and pour some in the bowl like before, mix it up, and then I'm going to dump the wig back in there. And then you can just see here with me just leaving it in there that it's taking the color immediately. So now the parts that were blonde before have now taken this violet color. And you can see that here. You can even see just the different colors in the wig already. So just giving y'all a better view of the different colors, and you can even see it while it's wet. And as I brush it out, you can see the parts that are still blonde. So now, in order to color those parts, I'm just going to go back to the lavender, just to kind of alternate colors, pour that in the bowl, and then dip my wig in accordingly. And that's pretty much what I'll be doing for the rest of this little section here, is pouring in the dye, dipping the wig, and until I get the color that I like. Okay, so this is what she looks like all blow dried and finished coloring, and look how pretty this looks. I was actually very surprised at how good this turned out. I wasn't quite sure what was going to happen with me using two different colors or what, but as you can see, you know, some parts look a little bit lighter and like some parts look darker, and that's just based off of which dyes I use and the order of them and stuff like that. So It was really super easy, guys. Definitely would try this at home because, you know, it's fun. I had so much fun doing this. And I'm actually really happy with how the color turned out. So I'm just going to go ahead and style it, and I'm just flat ironing it for this moment here. And just going to see what that looks like all together. And again, you can see even more of the different colors. I have more violet right there on top, and then some of the lavender, which actually looks kind of pink on camera, but it's really actually lavender, guys. So yes, I did go ahead and install this unit on myself. But if you want to see what that looks like, you got to stay tuned for my next video. I'll be showing you guys everything that I did from the curls to my makeup. So here's my final look for this video, for this wig. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you love this color as much as I did. And thanks for watching as always, you guys.